Hi and welcome to another update on the restoration of 7076 the Hymek. This time we've been looking at getting the two turbos back installed into the loco and having a look at the filters that were removed last time to replace them and make them a bit smarter. So the loco was shunted outside again and the crane was fired up, where the team assembled to put the two turbochargers back into the loco. Quite a tricky task, as the turbos each sit on 6 exhaust ports and also 6 studs, which if you get it slightly wrong or slightly out of alignment, it makes it impossible for it to sit down properly and you run the risk of exhaust leaks. So I'm pleased to report that these are the last 2 major components to go back into the loco, and the next time the crane will be needed is to put the roof back into place. In the last report was the air filters, which are seen here to be absolutely filthy. So I brought these home to my home workshop where I could look at them in detail, strip them down, remove all the dirty material, give them a little paint up and reassemble with fresh media. You can see here split into component form. There's 2 meshes, a frame and the media itself. The loco has 6, 3 per bank. And as you can see here, the old media is completely blocked with dust, oil and other things that shouldn't really be there. This is clearly restricting the engine's flow and will hopefully, once it's had some new filter material, will improve performance. A couple of the air filters refused to come out and were just gummed in with all grease, dirt and muck. This will all be cleaned before they go back into the loco, ensuring it'll be easy for the next person. A couple of the filters had bends and knocks, as you can see here. These have all been straightened out using a form tool that I made out of a piece of wood. Again, this job is not essential along with the painting, but it's always nice to keep things as best as we can to ensure they last as long as possible. Brand new filter media was purchased, and you can see here, you can actually see through it when compared to the old stuff, which is completely blocked. This will hopefully give the engine a bit more performance and allow it to breathe better. So there you have it. There is a completed filter cartridge with brand new material in it and fully painted just to give it a nice appearance. All straightened out, ready to go back onto the loco. So in addition to this, the team are still working hard at returning the engine to service by working on the coolant system, oil system, fuel, and all the other ancillaries that make the engine run. We are very hopeful that the engine should return for this year, but stay tuned for further updates.